Good day! Naglabas na nga ng game schedule ang PVL Management. Ito nga ang magaganap na PVL Untour 2025. Mas pinaagang conference na ito dahil unlimited volleyball tayo ngayon. At ibibigay natin ang full game schedule sa kanilang prelim simula June 22 hanggang July 29, 2025. Siyempre saan ang venue at anong oras magaganap ang mga laban. Kaya bago ang lahat guys, nakikiusap naman po ako, please naman. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and pahit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bonggang video about sa volleyball dito sa Pilipinas. Pa-subscribe naman, maraming salamat, and then pa-purchase na lang po ng Alas Pilipinas o PVL t-shirt dyan sa baba kung gusto lamang po ng remembrance about sa PVL. Thank you. Ngayon na agad-agad, wag na po nating patagalin pa. Ito na po ang game schedule sa PVL On Tour Conference ngayong 2025 simula June 22 hanggang July 29, 2025. Simulan natin sa July 22, 2025. Akari vs Signal 4 p.m. at Capital One vs Creamline 6:30 p.m. Ang venue po nito ay sa Vigan City, Ilocos Sur. July 23, 2025. Signal HD Spikers vs Capital One 4 p.m. Creamline vs Akari Chargers 6:30 p.m. Venue Vigan City, Ilocos Sur. June 28, 2025, magaganap Galleries vs Chocomucho 4 p.m. NXLed vs Petrogas 6:30 p.m. Venue Batangas City, Batangas. June 29, 2025, Petrogas Angels vs Galleries 4 p.m. Chocomucho vs NXLed 6:30 p.m. Venue Batangas City, Batangas. July 1, 2025, PLDT vs Farm Fresh 4 p.m. Signal vs Creamline 6:30 p.m. Venue Phil All Ecoel Arena. July 5, 2025, Charity Go vs Capital One 4 p.m. Sauce Coffee vs Akari Chargers 6:30 p.m. Venue wala pa. July 6, 2025, Akari vs Charity Go 4 p.m. Capital One vs Sauce Coffee 6:30 p.m. Venue to be arranged. July 12, 2025, Farm Fresh vs Chocomucho 4 p.m. PLDT vs Petrogas 6:30 p.m. Venue Iligan City, Isabela. July 13, 2025, Petrogas vs Farm Fresh 4 p.m. Chocomucho vs PLDT 6:30 p.m. Venue Iligan City, Isabela. July 15, 2025, NXLed vs Galleries 4 p.m. Akari vs Capital One 6:30 p.m. Venue Phil All Ecoel Arena. July 19, 2025, Sauce Coffee vs Creamline 4 p.m. Charity Go vs Signal 6:30 p.m. Venue Pasig City, Iloilo. July 20, 2025, Signal vs Sauce Coffee 4 p.m. Creamline vs Charity Go 6:30 p.m. Venue Pasig City, Iloilo. July 26, 2025, NXL vs PLDT 4 p.m. Galleries vs Farm Fresh 6:30 p.m. Venue to be arranged. July 27, 2025, PLDT vs Galleries 4 p.m. Farm Fresh vs NXLed 6:30 p.m. Venue to be arranged. July 29, 2025, Charity Go vs Sauce Coffee 4 p.m. Chocomucho vs Petrogas 6:30 p.m. Venue Phil All Ecoel Arena. Magtatanong kayo saan ito mapapanood? Meron po nito sa channel na One Sports or One Sports Plus. Kung kayo ay may cable sa inyong bahay, minsan nag-live sila, minsan hindi. Depende. Palagi silang live pag weekend. Meron din po sa Pilipinas Live. I-download nyo lamang po at mag-register kayo at sa Signal application. At ang ibinigay po natin ay prelims game schedule kung saan talagang dumayo pa sila sa iba't ibang bahagi ng ating bansa para maglaro. Kaya nga on tour, kasabik-sabik itong panuorin dahil yung hindi nakakapunta sa mismong venue ay makikita na ang mga iniidolo nila in person. At syempre, ang mga nakalagay pong to be arranged ay wala pang nakukuhang venue. Antayin nyo na lamang po sa mga latest update ng PVL Management. Maraming salamat.